Guys, so today I'm just going to do a quick review on the Colourpop Dream Sequence palette. This was the highlighter palette I hauled a few weeks ago. Guys, I know this is a little impromptu kind of video, but you guys seem to like these. As a reminder, here's what the palette looks like. It is so pretty. As you can tell, I just got to get real close to that. Don't mind my hands, they actually are all scratched up, so we're just going to not show that. But yeah, love this palette. Guys, this is one of the best highlighter palettes, if I don't break it now. This is the best highlighter palette I ever had. I've tried a few of the Anastasia ones that I could. A lot of them have like nuts in it and stuff. But I absolutely love this. It's that same Super Sock formula. If you're super fair, I recommend this one. If you're medium and up, they have a darker one, so I'd recommend the other one for that. But if you're like fair to light, definitely use this one. I absolutely love it. The formula is great. The highlighters are popping. It's what I have on today. I mixed the first two shades. Mixed this one and then that pink one at the top. And it just, look at that. Oh, glow. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. I did want to jump on here because I said I would let you guys know how some of the stuff is. I have more reviews probably in the next few weeks. I definitely have some thoughts on some products, some good, some bad. So I will report back on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. And please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.